Alright, let's talk about English pronunciation, or as some people accidentally say, pronunciation. Hint, it's actually pronunciation. And yes, we're already starting with a trap. If you've ever tried speaking English and had someone go, huh? What? Or just stare at you in confusion, this video is for you. Because today we're looking at the most incorrectly pronounced words in English by foreigners and how to say them correctly. And if you're new here, welcome to Learn English Hub. This is the place where we take the crazy, unpredictable, and sometimes evil rules of English and turn them into something you can actually understand. So if you've ever struggled with silent letters, weird vowels, or words that look nothing like how they sound, hit that subscribe button. Alright, let's fix these pronunciation mistakes together. Number 1, Wednesday. The common mistake, Wednesday. Yep. English decided to throw out an entire syllable because why not? Many languages actually pronounce every letter. So it's natural for learners to want to say Wednesday. But nope. English hates consistency. Think of it as Wednesday. That's it. Just pretend the D doesn't exist. Because honestly, English already has. Number 2, colonel. The most common mistake, colonel. Excuse me, where is the R? English stole this word from French but decided to spell it like Spanish and pronounce it like neither. Forget about how it's written. Just say colonel, like a military rank. Fun fact, colonel, the popcorn thing, is spelt differently but sounds exactly the same. So good luck with that. Number 3, February. The most common mistake, February. Let's put an R in there, but also pretend it's invisible most of the time. Some people actually do pronounce the R, February, but most native speakers just skip it. February. If you're feeling fancy, say February. If you want to sound natural, just say February. Either way, English will still make fun of you. Number 4, comfortable. The most common mistake, comfortable. Most languages pronounce every syllable, so learners assume comfortable has 4 syllables. But in English, nope. We crush it down to 3. Say comfortable. Just squish it together. Number 5, debt. The most common mistake, debt. So why is there a B if we don't pronounce it? Because English took this word from Latin, debitum, but then decided we don't need the B sound anymore. So just ignore the B. It's not there. It never was. Number 6, psychology. The most common mistake, psychology. Most languages actually pronounce the P, like in Greek where this word originally came from. But in English, silent letters are everywhere. If a word starts with PS, just ignore the P. Psychology, psychic, etc. Number 7, chaos. The most common mistake, chaos. What is this pronunciation? In most languages, CH is pronounced like chicken or chocolate. But in English, sometimes CH equals K. So if it sounds like a Greek word, CH sounds like K. For example, chaos, character, chemistry. So yeah, English pronunciation is basically a prank. But now you know how to avoid these mistakes. Your turn. Comment below. Which English word is the hardest for you to pronounce? Do you have words in your language that are impossible for English speakers to say? And of course, like this video if you learned something new. Subscribe for more fun English lessons. Share this with a friend so they don't say Wednesday. Until next time.